My name is Anish Banerjee, and recently I received an offer letter from PwC. Before that, I completed my BTech in the year 2017 in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Gargi Memorial Institute of Technology, Bawipur. And I've completed my 10 and plus 2 from Nalanda High School. In the year 2019, I got to know about data science and I did my research. And the most important thing that attracted me at that point of time was the mathematics and statistics, because I'm very fond of it. At the same time, since I have an interest in working in an IT field, so I don't need to tell everybody that I'm working as a software developer. The term of a software developer won't be before my name. Rather, the term of a data scientist will be before my name. So that's why I've chosen data science at that point of time. So my cousin brother's friend, who was ex-student of Ivy, so he recommended me Ivy. So he told me to choose Ivy because it's one of the best institutes in India, and the knowledge that is given by Ivy is sufficient for any person to at least enter in this job market. Because obviously later on we will learn when we are working, but getting the preliminary knowledge in order to enter this domain of data science and working as a data analyst or a data scientist, Ivy will be a good option for me. So on the 6th of May, my interview was conducted, and the questions that were asked by PwC were very basic questions on SQL or Excel. They gave me some small works. I had to turn on my laptop and share the screen in order to prove my skills that yes, I obviously have the skills of Excel and SQL, what I have learned from Ivy. And definitely whatever the knowledge that I have received from Ivy by Pratik sir, by Ishani ma'am, so those were pretty sufficient. Those were pretty sufficient for me, because the syllabus which is covered by Ivy, it's pretty good and it's pretty well structured, which has really helped me in order to get the job in PwC. The faculties were very approachable. And Ishani ma'am, Pratik sir, obviously at first I was a bit timid. I was a bit scared in order to have a word with them. But whenever I used to ping them over WhatsApp that ma'am, I have an issue with this, I am not understanding that. So they used to call me and they used to make me understand. On the other hand, the other faculties as well, like Farooq sir, Piyush sir, they were very good. Pranjal was also a very good faculty for whom I had a good grip on Python, I must say. So the most important thing that Ivy is doing, they are up to date with whatever the skill sets are required by any individual in order to enter the market of data science. So they are taking care of it. So at the same time, they are also arranging workshops on Power BI, on Alteryx, and Alteryx is a very important tool which is used in PwC. So yes, Ivy definitely is up to the mark according to me, because it is only because of the Ivy and its faculties and also the knowledge that has been given to me that I was being able to crack the interview of PwC. A lot of friends of mine, so they're very new to data science, and they're trying to understand what kind of a domain it is, whether they will be able to do it or not. So there is only one thing that I always say, that you don't need to be a technical guy in order to be in this field of data science. Rather, if you be a part of Ivy Professional School, they'll make sure that whether you are a non-technical guy or a technical guy, they'll make sure that you understand the concept and you can at least impart your knowledge in the practical field, so that later on when you are going to sit for the interview, no such allegations are given by the recruiter that you don't know anything, because Ivy will take care of that scenario as well, where the students will be very confident enough to go and sit for the interview. On the other hand as well, the modules or whatever the curriculum which is actually given, or the curriculum which is set by Ivy, it's pretty up to date and it's up to the industry standards, for which whatever the knowledge we are getting, it will help us. The projects that we are doing, it's very useful. And obviously the resume building session taken by Pratik sir, which is very useful. So that definitely I will be recommending my friends. I have already recommended two of my friends to join IB.